Good evening, sir. My name is Austin M. Figueroa, and this is the return video 3 of the Article 13, which is the mitigating circumstance. Article 13. Mitigating circumstance. The following are mitigating circumstance. Paragraph 1. Those mentioned in the preceding chapter when all the requisites necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective case are not attendant. Paragraph 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or over 70 years. In the case of the minor, he shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of the Article 80. Paragraph 3. That the offender had no intention to commit so grave a wrong as that committed. Paragraph 4. That sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act. Paragraph 5. That the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or the delito, of his spouse, ascendants, or relatives by affinity within the same degrees. Paragraph 6. That of having acted upon an impulse so powerful as naturally to have produced passion or obfuscation. Paragraph 7. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself to a person in authority or his agents, or that he had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the presentation of the evidence for the prosecution. Paragraph 8. That the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or otherwise suffering some physical defect which does restrict his means of action, defense, or communication with his fellow being. Paragraph 9. Such illness of the offender as would diminish the exercise of the willpower of the offender without however depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. Paragraph 10. And finally, any other circumstance of a similar nature and analogous to those above mentioned.